Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today we're going to talk about best email marketing softwares for you guys. I'm going to give you my recommendation. I'm going to do some comparison, pricing, and everything. And what you need to know straight away in the beginning part of this video, guys, is that there is no one fit for all. I mean, it depends on your followers, depends on your budget, depends on what your goals are, guys, what you're promoting, what is your business, and everything. So with that all being said, let's get started. First thing first that we need to do is to check out first thing right here, and first software that I want to show you is this right here, MailChimp. You can check it out, guys, out here, turn emails into revenue. What are some key features of MailChimp, guys? Down below you can see you can convert with email automations. So yes, you have email automation process for you, which is extremely important, guys. You do not need a person to hire, you do not need to insert yourself. You have email automation right here. Create faster with generative AI. Also, you have an AI feature, guys. You can see how it looks like. You can explore it for yourself. Refine with segmentation, guys, right here. Potential, new, repeat, elapsed right here. You have everything, guys. So they are basically doing every single possible thing, every single possible separation, every single possible thing that you need to do, that you're supposed to do yourself manually. They're saving you plenty of times, plenty of resources, guys, and we'll see after why. Optimize with analytics and reporting right here. Again, you can see explore marketing automation, explore AI tools, explore audience management, and explore analytics and reporting. You can check it out down below, some of their sentences, some of their facts, guys. Up to 25x ROI seen by MailChimp users. So yes, 11 million users and so on, 1.7K per campaign, guys, 22,000 years of experience, 22 years of experience. So we all know that people in today's world, guys, in 2024, they're thinking that email is so 2001, 2, 3 or something like that. But if you haven't used email marketing software, you don't know, guys, you do not have a perspective of how big ROI, guys, you can actually receive from this. This is still in the game. This is still top of the game, actually, and maybe the biggest ROI to your investment. We can check it out right here, guys, in pricing section. You can explore for yourself, guys. The price to get 15% off our standard plan. You can check it out, guys, right here. Send up to 6,000 mail. Standard plan is here, guys. Email each month right here. Contacts 500. You can see for first 12 months you have this 15%, as we said, guys, 15% discount right here, $17. So pretty affordable, pretty easy to use, pretty easy to start with, guys, pretty easy to buy right here, as I said. So now you can switch it to 1.5, 2.5 for 10,000 contact, for example, for $135, guys. No, for $114.75 for first 12 months, and then it will start $135, guys. But after 12 months, I mean, you will have some substantial growth in your profit, guys, and everything. So this $135 will be nothing. Also down below you can see, guys, how it actually looks like. The ultimate expert assisted platform for growth, scale, unlimited seats and audiences, migration support, customer success manager, priority phone support, dedicated onboarding and everything. As we said, send up to 150,000 emails each month, guys. Right here we can see 100,000 contacts. You can check it out, guys, but this is for bigger businesses, and this video is mostly dedicated to those who are just beginning, guys, who are discovering this amazing marketing method. Also down below you can see why do we recommend standard. Right here you can check it out, essentials, free, premium, and everything, guys. In standard package you can see comparison to everything. Starting price from $350 a month for 10,000 contacts. Right here we have $20 a month for 500 contacts, and you can see comparison for everything, guys. You do not need me to read this for you, but this is definitely one of my top recommendations for beginners, because you can actually adjust everything for yourself. As I said, it's not even 20 right now, it's $17 for first 12 months. Number 2 platform is maybe the most common, the most famous one, if I can say in that way, guys. Grow with our email marketing CRM suite, Brevo. Brevo is here, guys. Sign up for free in top right corner. Get the demo right here, guys. Down below you can see you have a marketing platform, sales platform, guys. Find out more, of course, section for you. Conversations platform, customer data platform, messaging API. So as I said, saving you tons of time, tons of money, guys, tons of nerves, definitely. But I think they are doing it in slightly different way. We do not have some automations, we don't have some AI models, guys, but let's see the pricing of Brevo, guys. I would definitely recommend you Brevo, guys, for maybe a bit advanced companies, a bit advanced businesses, not so much for the beginners. But what's the most important thing that you can see, guys? Right here you have a free option. So this is something that is definitely a huge advantage compared to MailChimp, guys. And we can see it's $0 a month, sign up, 300 emails a day, customizable email templates, drag and drop editor, transactional, the emails, SMS and WhatsApp campaigns, guys. So yeah, free, discover it, guys. You can check it out. For starter is $9 a month, business $18 a month, and enterprise custom price, guys. You can negotiate that later. Also, customize your plan. You can do it for yourself, guys, manually. Right here you can see starter, ideal for growing business. If you press on free, guys, you can see what you have. Basically, as we said, 300 emails a day, SMS and WhatsApp campaigns, email credits, and dedicated IP. But for starter, guys, you can see that you can actually manually select your own plan. So for 500 contacts, right here we can see for 1.5 thousand contacts, guys, you can see the price right here, $17 a month, $15.25 with yearly billing. So that's also an advantage for you. But as I said, I think it's the similar price, guys, to the MailChimp, but only I think MailChimp was $17 for first 12 months, guys, for 500 contacts. And right here we have 1,500 contacts. So think about it. Right here we have 20,000 emails, guys, just for $30 a month. But as I said, there is plenty of features comparing to AI, guys, to automation, something like that, but you can definitely use this for yourself. But as I said, Brevo is for some businesses that already experience some sort of CRM, guys, some sort of email marketing. So as I said, just think about it. Marketing platform, conversation platform, we have that also right here. Sales platform, guys, pretty cheap, pretty affordable. So yeah, definitely again, my recommendation. And every single possible platform that I'm going to show you in this video, guys, is my recommendation for you. It only depends on your business type, on your budget, on your vision, future, what you want to receive from your platform, guys. But yes, you have plenty of options here. So the next platform that I'm going to show you guys, the next thing is definitely Constant Contact, one of the newer ones. We're here to help you grow, drive revenue, and boost your business with an easy-to-use email marketing tools and award-winning customer support. Down below, just starting out, explore email tools, guys. Up and running, elevate your marketing, amplify your reach, savvy marketer. Also down below, multi-channel campaigns made in minutes. Right here, you can see learn more, guys, out here, tools to help you reach your goals, email marketing, SMS marketing, social media marketing automation is here as well. So yeah, we have automation, we have plenty of marketing methods from SMS, email, and social media, guys. Pretty much the same thing right here, but I just want to show you something that can be helpful for you. In Brevo, guys, we talked about you have a free option. Here you have a 14 days free trial. So that's also useful. AI content plus automation, smarter digital marketing. Also, you have a 30-day money back guarantee. So what you need here, guys, is your mail and password, and you can check it out straight away and check it out and go enjoy it yourself. As far as pricing, guys, right here, we can check out a Constant Contact Lite right here, premium plan, we can see is $80 a month, standard $35, guys, and $12 is light. You can start marketing today with award-winning email and social tools, as I said, but there are also some differences. For premium, you can see users unlimited, 3 users in standard, and in light 1 user. Storage from 25 gigabytes for premium, guys, 10 gigabytes for standard, and 1 gigabyte for light. Monthly email sends 24x your number of contacts, 12x your number of contacts, 10x your number of contacts. Support, self-service, live chat, phone, and you can see that's the same for all 3 of those. Also, here you can see maybe the best benefits of premium, standard, and light, guys, but you can experience for those price up here. So you can see from drag and drop email templates, all 3 of those. Brand kit, all 3 of those, but let's see the differences. Scheduled email sends. With light, you do not have that. Subject line A/B testing with light. No. Subject line recommendations, again, no with light, of course. And we can see down below, guys, dynamic content in email. You can even see, guys, what's that. I mean, personalize your emails by having parts of your content were based on a contact's city, state, job title, or any data point you collect. So you can see there is only available with premium. So again, inbox preview, guys, is $10 a month add-on with all 3 packages. And also down below we can see that custom automation paths, guys, are available only for premium one. So Constant Contact, as I said, you have 14 days free trial, guys, but I think that Brevo is much better option for you if you're just beginning, because you have a free package straight away, guys. So think about it. But for premium one, $80 a month, I think it's definitely worth it. So as I said, check it out, guys, right here. Again, constantcontact.com is here. And last but not least, guys, ConvertKit. Right here, sustainable growth tools for creators. ConvertKit helps 600,000 creators like you work smarter, not harder, with email automation and monetization tools that work together to drive continuous growth. So yeah, you can check it out, guys. Features down here, use cases, you can explore them as well, guys. From email marketing, sell digital products, level up your link in bio, run a paid newsletter, resources and everything. So let's see what we can actually experience from this platform and why I think it's worth of mentioning in this video. More than 682,000 creators and over 2.5 billion emails each month. So you can see they have a strong community, strong core of their customers, and that's for a reason. I mean, people are believing in them because they're seeing results. That's why I said, guys, email marketing is definitely underestimated in today's world, but it's definitely really powerful weapon to grow your business. Down below, start earning more with ConvertKit, guys. You can again get started for free. You can press on it, of course. Are you a robot? Hey there, sorry for inconvenience, blah blah and so on. So let's get started. Create an account right here in your name, email, password, and I have read and agree. Of course, we never read it, but just check the box, get started. That's for you to start for free, sign up for free, guys. But as far as pricing, right here we can see, guys, how many email subscribers do you have. You can go from 1,000 up to 500,000 plus. So let's just say, for example, if we are a beginner, 20,000 right here, we can check it out. I mean, this price is switching, of course, for, I'm sorry, zero. Let's just say 1,000. 1,000 newsletter, $0 a month. So one basic visual automation, one email sequence, one user, unlimited landing pages, unlimited opening forums, guys, and everything, 24/7 support. This is $0 a month. A creator recommended $25 a month, guys, $290 billed yearly, save $55 per year, up to 1,000 subscribers, and $50 right here, guys. We can see again up to 1,000 subscribers, $50 a month, and you can see the benefits that you can actually experience from. So let's just say we have 15,000 right here. Again, you can see max subscriber reach up to 10,000 subscriber, guys. You can have this free option, free package, but after that 15,000, again, you need to go with at least creator option for you. So $125 a month, you can see up to 15,000 subscribers, and let's just say we go up here to 20. Again, right here, up to 25,000 subscribers with just $166 a month, guys. 2 users, unlimited users. You can see the comparison of pro, guys, and creator. So as I said, depends on your budget. Again, as I said, everything depends on you, on your business, on your amount of subscribers, guys, on what you want to achieve, what kind of solutions are you seeking in this email and marketing platforms, guys. Are you seeking for automation, for SMS, for email, for AI, guys, or something like that? So write it down in comment section. Which platform have you liked the most, and which platform will you give a shot, guys? Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.